Welcome home, friend, to this beautifully upgraded gem in Watauga, nestled in a community without HOA fees. This tastefully upgraded home boasts 3 bedrooms and has been thoughtfully modernized with fresh paint throughout, including the kitchen cabinets. Say goodbye to carpets and hello to all new luxury vinyl plank flooring, adding both elegance and easy maintenance to your living space. You will enjoy this upgraded kitchen with all new stainless steel appliances, lots of counter space where you'll enjoy cooking and hosting. The living room is right off the kitchen, so you'll never miss a beat. The kitchen is the heart of the home and you'll love making memories here. The large yard offers plenty of space for outdoor activities and entertainment, making it an ideal starter home for a growing family or anyone looking for a peaceful retreat with modern comforts. This home is not just a treat for the eyes, it is also a practical choice because of its prime location. You'll be in the heart of Watauga and in the highly coveted Keller ISD. This home is zoned for Whitley Elementary School, Hillwood Middle School, and Central High School. So don't miss out on the opportunity to own a piece of tranquility and be close to all the essentials. Call us today to schedule an appointment to come see this fabulous home brought to you by Ludwin and Margie Real Estate.